Create incredible, interactive, ready-to-deliver online courses in minutes with eSkilled AI Course Creator. Our AI course creation wizard will have you effortlessly developing fully formatted courses in minutes, complete with AI-generated imagery, diagrams, and interactive activities. Choose from AI automated course creation, do-it-yourself authoring, or easily create your course from a document. Flexibility that fits your style. Use our AI assistant for seamless course editing. Instantly summarize, expand, edit, add AI-powered case studies and practical examples, and rearrange topics with our user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. Engage learners with AI-generated quizzes. Keep it dynamic and smart. Take control of your course content and enhance learning with videos and royalty-free stock imagery, because every detail matters. Foster engagement with interactive elements, quizzes, steps, simulations, and multimedia, creating an immersive learning environment. Easily share your course in 4 ways: via a direct course link, embedded on any website, or deliver it through your LMS using SCORM or LTI. Monitor learner progress in real time with insights at your fingertips. Optimize your students' learning journey with mobile-first design. Learning anytime, anywhere. Customize your course for global audiences with region-specific, industry-relevant content, because education knows no boundaries. Elevate the learning experience with text-to-audio narration, a voice that brings learning to life. Join us in transforming education. Inquire now. Innovate, educate, and elevate with eSkilled AI Course Creator. Your journey into the future starts now. Start your free trial